Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation Ford Focus guys, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to guys remove or replace your center dash vents. Okay, there will be some work involved, so stay with us and we'll show you how to do that, because otherwise you can damage quite a few things. If your center dash vents are broken or need to be replaced on the left side and the right side in the center dash, okay, stay with us right where the radio buttons are. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on this generation Ford Focus and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. If you want to buy any parts or tools guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can purchase things for a super good price and fast shipping as well. Let's start on the center dash vent removal now. What I recommend to have the emergency brake on guys, okay, always, because eventually we might end up guys putting it in neutral here, because we'll need to remove one cover, and I'll explain where that one is located now. Okay, let me show you. It's this cover right here, it's a little bit hidden. So now guys, the center dash vents I'm talking about, this vent here and this one right there. So with us we'll show you guys how to remove one of them. The other one is exactly the same way. We need to remove all that assembly guys in order to get to them, otherwise you will break them. So right here now guys, okay, let me explain what we'll be doing. Okay, we'll be working right here, so we'll need to actually go ahead and put the camera, okay, all the way down, okay, like that, so we can see what is happening there guys. Right here there is one cover that, okay, I'll need to get my head here quick so I can see too, because it's very, okay, very limited room guys. Okay, this cover right there in the middle, check it out now. Okay, this cover guys comes out. Okay, let me show you now. This is it. Now it has two places, okay, where it attaches, one here, one over there, one here, one over there. Now what else we need to do? Let's come down there guys. Okay, and we need to get a Torx 20 star looking bit, so I'll go ahead, grab that quick and we'll continue. Now we need star looking bit, 20 millimeter star looking bit. I'm going to get the electric screwdriver so I save a little bit of time. We're going to remove one screw now. Okay, that's what it looks like, and I'll remove a second one now. Okay, this one is a little bit hard to get to guys, so I will probably need to, okay, let me see, I will need to shift the car in, yep, we'll need to get it in neutral so I can move the shifter a little bit, and we'll have to go ahead, turn the key and have the emergency brake applied and put it in neutral or drive, but make sure that you don't roll down the hill, put tire chokes or anything like that. So ignition is on. Okay, and we're guys going to go ahead, okay, and put it like that. Now I'm going to turn the key off, and we'll show you what else we need to do here. Not very complicated by the way. Okay, it will start beeping in a little bit because I will put it in park. Okay, now we can put it in park, perfect, and turn the key off. Great. Now I removed guys, two of the screws are out. Now what else we need to do now? Let's hold like that. Okay, perfect. Now like that, and we're going to go ahead, grab that piece, you pull on bottom first, then slide like that, pull out. You have a clip right here guys. I'll recommend to have your car battery disconnected at that point so you don't burn anything guys. And let me show you what we'll be doing here. Okay, this is where the connectors are now located. Okay, this connector, okay, right here, we press in and we release. Okay, and we're going to grab that piece. Okay, let's leave that piece for a second. You can see the connector guys. Okay, it's right there. Okay, you press in and you pull it out. Okay, just like that. So guys, now we have the vents, okay, on the back side, one vent, two vents. So you just grab it guys, okay, gently pull it. You have 1, 2, 3 clips on this side. Okay, it came out. Now I'm going to come on this side right here, and we have 3 more clips. Okay, we gently pull it, guys, and your dash vent comes out of there. Okay, you can see this is, guys, okay, the whole assembly, the whole vent, you can see just like that. This is the right side. If you need to remove and replace the left side, it will be exactly, guys, okay, the same procedure as well. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and see you guys next time.